So I'm Ryan. This is my brother Aaron, and we are work for Pro Carpet Cleaning. And the clues in title.
Before you started working with us, what were some of the challenges that you had with your Google Ads and lead gen campaigns?
We got to a stage where, well, I regretted taking it over straight away after sort of the 6 months because I just didn't see how before the guy that was running it was actually making money.
At what point did you realize, oh yeah, we're actually in good hands now and things are going well?
First month, wasn't it? It probably was. It really was.
Within the first month.
You notice that, and you notice the amount of volume we're getting coming through as well.
Yeah, the volume of quality leads was a good sign.
Since working together, can you share any stats on the sales that you've done, particularly from last year and this year as well, if you have them to hand?
For last year, we did a total of 228,000. And then this year, we're currently at 123,000. So since we started, we're at about 350 nearly. So we're looking good. We're looking good.
£350,000 since working together. Wow.
Starting, yeah.
Starting together.